Chapter 8, Hydroxy Compounds. 8.4, Chemical Properties of Alcohols. At the end of this topic, students should be able to C. Explain the identification test to distinguish classes of alcohols using Lucas region, concentrated HCl, ZnCl2. D. Outline the synthesis of compounds related to reactions of alcohol. E. Explain iodoform test I2OH- to identify methyl carbinol CH3CHOH. Chemical test for alcohol. There are two tests. The first is Lucas test. Second one is iodoform test. Function of Lucas test is to distinguish different classes of alcohol, either is primary, secondary, or tertiary. For iodoform test, the function is to identify methyl carbinol group. Lucas test is used to differentiate primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols by observing the rate of reaction between alcohols and Lucas region to form alkyl chloride. Lucas region is a mixture of concentrated HCl and ZnCl2. General reaction is ROH plus HCl concentrated in the presence of ZnCl2 produce RCl plus water. Lucas test. The reaction mixture becomes cloudy due to the formation of alkyl chloride. Look at the figure below. You can see that for the first solution, it is clear. When it reacts, it produces cloudy and have two layers. The two layers are formed because the alkyl chloride produced is insoluble in water. The table given showing the classes of alcohols towards Lucas test and its observation. If the alcohol classified in primary, the observation is no observable changes within 5 to 10 minutes even after heating. If the alcohol is in the secondary classes of alcohol, the observation is cloudy solution appears within 5 to 10 minutes. If the alcohol classified in tertiary, the cloudy solution appears immediately when it observed. And finally, for the aromatic compound, which is example is phenol, the observation is no observable change even through heating. Now, when we write the equation of alcohol treated with Lucas region, the first one is primary alcohol, example cyclohexyl methanol treated with Lucas region. The observation is no observable reaction. Second, cyclopentanol treated with Lucas region. The product form is chlorocyclopentane and water. The observation is the solution turned cloudy within 5 minutes. And number 3, the compound of tertiary alcohol, example is methyl cyclopentanol treated with Lucas region. The product form 1-chloro, 1-methyl cyclopentane plus water. The observation is solution turn cloudy immediately. Now, the second test is iodoform test. This test is to identify the presence of methyl carbonyl group showing the structure. Region that used to iodoform test is I2 in NaOH aqueous. Observation, formation of yellow precipitate showing in the figure. Alcohol with methyl carbonyl group cleaves to form carboxylate ion and triiodomethane or iodoform CHI3. General reaction alcohol, primary alcohol treated with I2OH minus. If this primary alcohol has methyl carbonyl, it produces carboxylate ion and triiodomethane or iodoform precipitate form. The color of the precipitate is yellow. So, if the yellow precipitate, show that the structure of the alcohol has methyl carbonyl. General structure of methyl alcohols. First, methyl alcohol in ethanol. Second, methyl alcohol in 2-propanol. The last one, methyl alcohol in phenyl ethanol. There are examples of alcohols having methyl carbonyl group, also known as methyl alcohols. Look at the structure given. As you can see, the R will be replaced by either H, alkyl or aryl. Whatever it is, the structure should have methyl bonded to the carbon carbonyl group. Iodoform test. We're writing an equation of iodoform test. For example, 2-propanol treated with I2 aqueous sodium hydroxide will produce sodium ethanoate and CHI3 triiodomethane yellow precipitate. Second example, 2-butanol treated with I2 in aqueous sodium hydroxide produce sodium propanoate and yellow precipitate form. Name is triiodomethane. And the last one example is cyclohexyl methanol treated with I2 in aqueous sodium hydroxide. No observable change will be observed. This is due to, in the structure of cyclohexyl methanol, there are no methyl carbonyl structure group formed. That's all. Thank you.